Simple, we got to get out of here, right? Just start with one goal. Raise your hand if you can think of one goal that you want by the end of the year. One simple goal, not two, not three, one simple goal. I swear to God, y'all, get it right here in your spirit, for real. Don't leave this room without having that goal right here at the top of your mind. Don't wake up another day without thinking of that goal. Do not wake up another day without putting some action towards that goal. Because if you say, this is what I am, this is what I want to be, and you don't put the action to it, then there's nothing to bless. The Creator say, I'll only bless what you do. Whatever you need, guys, I'm serious about this work. Please don't leave this room and be unsuccessful. Please don't leave this room and be unsuccessful. I cannot take it. I've been hurt for a long time, right? Our culture has been down for a long time, but it only takes a few people. It only takes a few people. Don't leave this road without putting your goal at the top of your mind. Don't leave this road without putting action towards your goal every single day. Whatever your dream, whatever your goal is, chase it. Chase it. I'll put the line up here to see how many starters I'm going. Is there anybody here that wants to just start chasing their dream? If so, can we get you right here? It might be just one or two. It might just be one or two. That's fine. Yeah. Some people do. It's cool. Some people gonna be cocky, but you gotta believe in yourself on your own. If you gonna make the commitment to your gift before you leave, there's a lot of chance you get it. There's a lot of chance you get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.